How to make paper stars. You need star paper, but if you don't have star paper, you can use strips of just normal paper. I have 1 strip of star paper. Flip it over to the white side and make a loop. Turn this loop into a ribbon, and then you're gonna take this tail of the ribbon and stick it through the loop and pull the long piece as tight as you can without ripping the paper. This is what mine looks like. You're going to hold this knot and just go back and forth, pulling the short side and the long side until you have a pentagon. When you have a pentagon, you're going to flatten it and then fold the short side over. So now you're gonna fold it on the pattern left, right, left, right. So I'm folding this over and this side is touching the left. So now I'll flip it over again, and now you want it to touch the right side. Flip it, touches the left, flip it, touches the right. Now, when you finish, you're gonna tuck this little side into this pocket, but you can see here it's too short. So what you're gonna do is fold it so you are shortening the end, and then you can stick it into, you can stick it into this pocket. Stabilize it with your 3 fingers like this, and then take your thumb and then push in each side. And then you have a star, and they are fun to pop. And after you pop them, you can just reshape them back.